Hello everyone, I have a review. Today I am reviewing the Swanson Chicken and Dumplings made with white and dark chicken meat. No antibiotics. And it's a 10.5 ounce. Got this at Dollar Tree. Do not add water. They tell you how to make it on the stove or the microwave. So I'm going to go quick and I'm going to make it on my stove. And I will be back to tell you whether I like this product or not. But for $1.25, it will be good if this tastes good, right? That would be a bargain. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the Swanson Chicken and Dumplings. I only had to warm this up for a few minutes. It has bits of chicken meat in here, and then it has the dumplings. So I'm going to try the dumplings first. Try another one. Let me drink a little. Now I'm going to try the chicken. I don't really care for this. I think you can spice it up with a little more seasonings. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and put some of this lemon pepper on it and see how it tastes, because it tastes bland and it tastes, the dumplings taste like paste. Put the lemon pepper seasoning and sprinkle some on my food. It is. Let's see whether it tastes better. I can't eat all this, y'all. I do not like it. Let me taste it again. For me, that's a fail. It doesn't taste good to me, y'all. Nope. Won't be buying that anymore. But anyway, for 10.5 ounces, it has 300 calories. I say if you have to cut down on your food budget, it may be something that you can get and you can work with, you know, and it's enough for just one meal. But I don't like the texture, the taste of the dumplings, and I don't like how that chicken tastes. No. No. This is no artificial flavors, no MSG added. But does all of that matter if you can't eat it? So I'm not going to prolong this product review. Again, this is Swanson Chicken and Dumplings made with white and dark chicken meat. Try it and see if you like it. Everybody don't like the same things. But if I'm going to eat something like this, I want it to have great flavor. Even throughout the dumplings, I want flavor throughout the dumplings. I don't want just a glop of dough and it tastes like dough or paste. No, this is a fail. So I will be back with some more reviews. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, put on your notification bell, and I will be back with some more videos. Have a great day.